But the service providers need to start taking seriously which authentication standard they want to deploy. We think the future is OpenID Connect because it allows you to deliver a very secure identity payload, and then you can use it in different ways once it gets there. The more adopted technology right now is SAML 2.0. If configured well, it can be very secure, but it needs to be configured well. Looking at ways to move to a tokenized identity payload needs to happen. There are some service providers out there that are forcing businesses, especially the small businesses that can't afford it, to use lesser login security authentication, irrespective of TraitWare, just any login authentication. They're forcing you to be on an expensive tier of their product to be able to use these authentication standards. Once the library is built into your tech stack, it should not cost you more to move to this. In fact, I would bet that you'd see a reduction in having to run password reset tools for your self-registration people if you moved to an authentication standard across all platforms. There is a website called SSO Tax that you can go and read all the ones. I'm not going to name shame anybody else, but you can go read it for yourself on these different applications or service providers that are forcing this upgraded tier to be able to use modern authentication, some of which I don't understand. It should be available. Security should be available to everybody.